Hi students, already you have studied the process of photosynthesis. Do you know that which gas is essential for photosynthesis? Let us explore it.
In the heart of our forests, a silent miracle occurs every second.
It looks still, doesn't it? But inside, there's a high-tech factory at work.
Phase 1, the light-dependent reaction. Inside the thylakoids, chlorophyll traps solar energy. This releases the oxygen we breathe as a byproduct.
Phase 2, the light-independent reaction. The plant fixes carbon dioxide into glucose.
From a tiny leaf to the giant banyan, photosynthesis provides the energy for growth.
The journey begins here, as carbon dioxide enters through microscopic pores called stomata. Understanding photosynthesis is understanding the rhythm of life itself.